Hey, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you install a Facebook pixel onto your Shopify store? Well, it's really pretty simple. And so I'm going to go through the steps, but not only that, I'm going to teach you how to install a tool to actually test it and know if you're being pixeled. So watch this video. So we're back and we're going to show you exactly how to put that pixel into your website. Why would you do this? Well, even if you don't have any Facebook ads running, you want to track the people that are coming into your site. So you can season a Facebook pixel by putting it on your site. Even if you don't run ads for 6 months, why not track the traffic that's coming to your website? And then when you do run a Facebook ad, you've already got a seasoned pixel. What does it mean by a seasoned pixel? Well, Facebook tracks every person that comes to your site, so we know that those type of users, and then we can create lookalike audiences. So let's go through the first steps on setting up that Facebook pixel. So the first thing you want to do is just go to your Facebook, and you want to go to Ads Manager. So click on the home button, and you just want to find your ads manager over here. And sometimes you got to open it up and just look right here. So as you're going through it, if you need to pause it or whatever, just pause it and do the steps as we go through it. So we're in our ads manager, and the key thing here is just to hit this drop down here and go to pixels. So I want to go to pixels, but you can open all the tools here and you'll see under Events Managers pixels. So I'm going to click on pixels, and I need to just switch this account real quick and go into my agency account so I can grab that proper pixel. So as I get in here, it'll load. You can simply, if you want to create a new pixel, just add a new source, and it's very, very simple. So you just click on that Facebook pixel, you name the pixel whatever you want right here. It could be your Shopify store name. You can put the URL in, it does help. And then just click create, and that's it. And then you're going to go to the details when it pops up in the section here, and just simply go to setup right up here in the top and install pixel. So here is our pixel code right here. So we're just going to click on this install pixel. If you were just manually installing it and you had a programmer installing it, hard coding it, you would click on this, but we're not going to do that. All you've got to do is go up to this little pencil up here and just copy this number here, and make sure you just select the number only. That's your pixel ID. And so there's different things. You can have pixels for your initiate on checkouts or add to carts or view certain content. So if you have certain content you're promoting, or just page views. We're just going to do page views because we want to track everybody. So log into your Shopify store. Once you're logged in here, you're going to go right under sales channel and click on online store and go to preferences. This is where you drop your code in. And all you're going to do after you do that, scroll to the bottom and hit save. I already have my code in here, and we're going to go ahead and test it and see how it works. So once you have loaded it and installed it, you want to install a Google ad extension or Google extension, Chrome extension. And basically you just go into Google and the three little dots up here and go under more tools and extensions, and you're going to type in Facebook, and it'll come up, Facebook Pixel Helper. That's what the name is. So this is what it looks like. I've already got it installed, but you want to install it. Instead of saying remove extension, it's going to say install it. What it does, it puts a little thing up in your browser bar, and we're going to show it to you. As you can see, I highlighted and it says Facebook Pixel Helper. Well, it's just gray right now, but when I go to Bling Life and click through any of these pages here, because we did install it on the entire website, you can see a number just popped up. And if we click on it, we can actually see the Pixel ID and the page views. So we know what it's doing. We know that it's connected. We can even look at the analytics if we click on it from Facebook Pixel, and it'll bring us right into the analytics and tell us the number of views and kind of an overview of what the Facebook Pixel's been doing. So we'll let it load. Week 1 retention. So 47 unique visitors. This is a brand new store. And so we can see that it is actually installed and working. So it's as simple as that. If you like Shopify and you want to get some more videos, some more training, I've got a ton of videos and I'll link those below. Comment in the comment section below and put the URL to your store so I can promote your store, and tell me what specific niche that you're in with your Shopify store, because you should be in something specific. Also, I've got a great video below on how to generate hundreds of free traffic, or thousands, I should say, of free traffic, and generate a couple $1,000s a month in addition to your Shopify store. On your Shopify store, you can do this. So it's in the blog section, but pound on that notification button to get notified of my new videos. Hit subscribe, share this video, and remember to comment below. Thanks for watching.